Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Ready to learn some amazing things today?
Yes.
Wonderful. Let's begin. Hello, class. It's so good to see you all. I have something exciting to show you. Let's look at the whiteboard together. Are you ready to begin? Good morning, class.
Welcome back.
I'm so happy to see you all.
We're happy to see you.
Let's make this a great year. All right, class, welcome. Please put your hands down. Today, we'll start with English. Let's write that on the board. There we go. English.
Wow.
All right, class, let's look at the board. English. This is our subject. Today, we'll build a simple sentence. Our sentence is,
The cat is happy.
Teacher, I have a question. Yes, what is it? Why is happy spelled with 2 P's? That's a great question. All right, class, let's see. Yes, the boy in the red shirt? How do plants make their food? That's a great question. They use sunlight to turn air and water into food.
It's called cool. Thank you.
I know the answer too. Plants take in sunlight through their leaves and use it to turn water and carbon dioxide into energy. That's called photosynthesis, and it's how they make their own food. Right, let's practice. Ready? What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer. What about you? I like to read books.
Wonderful. You two are great at this. All right, class, let's take a look at your work. This is very good. Just check your spelling here.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent work here. Keep it up.
Thanks.
Great job, everyone.
That was so much fun.
I'm so proud of you all. Best game ever.
Yeah, let's play again.
That's it, everyone. You're all doing a fantastic job. Keep up the great work, class.
We will.
You're all stars. All right, class, who wants to see our new storybook? Here it is. Look at these beautiful pictures.
Wow, a dragon.
Yes, let's see what happens next. All right, class, let's look at some interesting words.
Wow, like what?
Come up and see. This one is serendipity.
What does it mean? It means a happy accident. Isn't that lovely?
Wow, these words are so cool.
Yeah, but the bell just rang.
Awesome, let's go. All right, everyone, have a great afternoon.
Bye, teacher. See you tomorrow.
All right, class, let's review. Which word is a noun? A, run, B, quickly, C, apple, D, happy. Think carefully before you answer.
Ooh, C, no D. No some pants.
Okay, class, which word here is a noun? Think about it for a moment. All right, class, who can come up and circle the noun?
I will.
Wonderful, go ahead. This one, happy.
A noun. It's happy.
Wonderful, please show everyone.
I'll circle happy.
Excellent work, a perfect example. All right, class, let's make teams for our noun game. This side of the room is Team Noun.
And this side is Team Noun.
Start again. All right, class, time to write your stories.
Okay, what about a dragon adventure?
Yes, in an enchanted forest.
And they find treasure.
Okay, let's draw a big house.
I'll draw the people.
And I'll make a tree. Perfect, let's make it colorful.
This is fun. Yeah, teamwork.
Great job, everyone. That's a lovely house.
I'm coloring the sky.
Wonderful. And the sky is blue. I'm drawing. Keep using your colors. This is our house with a big red roof.
And here's the green we drew together.
We worked as a team and used all our favorite colors. This poster shows great actions like run. Let's see. Now jump high and dance. Wonderful. What action words did we learn? All right, class, let's all stand up together.
Yeah!
Great. Now stretch up high. Woohoo! Now wave your arms like this. Yay! We're still jumping. Oh.
We did it this time!
All right, class, time to write our adventure stories.
I'm writing about pirates. Me too, with a magic treasure. This is the best story ever.
All right, class. Let's review the key phrases we learned today. Remember to say please when you ask for something. And don't forget to say thank you when you receive something legend. All right, class. Time to go.
Okay, bye, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Have a good night. Take care, everyone. All right, class, let's review our key phrases from today. First, hello, how are you? And the reply, I am fine, thank you. Next, always remember, please and thank you. Hello, class. Let's review our key phrases. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Teacher. Very good, everyone. Okay, class, time for a riddle. Listen closely. What has a face and hands but no arms or legs?
A clock.
Very close. Think about the face. A clock. All right, class. Who knows the answer?
Money!
That's